So hello guys, welcome back again on my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how you can add this animated icon on your Shopify store. Basically these sections are collections of your Shopify store. So if you click on necklace set, so you will redirect to the necklace set collection, and if you click on another collection, so you will redirect to the collections like this. So basically this is a simple section that you can add on your Shopify store and you can enhance your website UI. So this video is totally free, just you have to follow some simple steps and you can add this section in your Shopify store. So let's see how you can do it. So first of all, you have to go to your admin panel. So here you can see I just created a new theme, so I can show you how you can implement this. So first of all, I will see a preview for this theme. Okay, so here you can see this is a simple new theme, and here I will add the code. So what you have to do, just open your new tab and just you have to search dev desire, press enter. You can see this website, just you have to open this and you can see this blog how to create an animated collection menu section in Shopify free section. So here is the blog, and if you open this you will get this section code. So how you can implement this section code I will show you step by step, but in future if you are not able to find this blog, just you have to click on search icon and here you have to type animated collection and press enter, and after searching you will get this result. So you can open this blog from here, and now I will show you how you can achieve this section in your Shopify store. Currently I'm going to add this section on Dawn theme. So if you have another theme like you have Sense or other any theme, so do not worry, this section is globally working and you can add this section on any Shopify theme. So do not worry about the different types of themes. So just you have to click on this three dot button and edit code, and make sure to copy your live theme before editing your code. Go to section folder and click add new section. So here you have to add a new section. You can write here any name for this section. So I will write here animated collection and save it. After saving, just you have to delete all the codes from here and go to this website. Just you have to copy this and make sure to copy carefully and paste here. Press enter and again open this blog and copy style sheet carefully and paste here. Again press enter, and now you have to copy this schema, copy and paste here. Okay, so now you have to click on save, basically save it, and now it's done. Just you have to go back and click on customize. Now you can use this section in your Shopify store. Just click on add section and you will see here dev desire collection. So just you have to click here. Basically before this code you are not able to find this, just you have to add this code in your Shopify store. After that you can achieve this section here. So here you can see you have two colors, primary and secondary, and top spacing and bottom spacing. So there are some settings that you can customize your collections. Now you have to click on add icon. Click on this icon and here you have to select the collections. So you can select any collection that you have. So I'm going to select this necklace collection or click on select. So you can see this is appear here. So I will drag it from top. So you can basically you can add anywhere this section. So same I am going to select another collection, for example pendant, and click on again on icons and bracelet, and like this you can add multiple collections here. And there are some basic features. For example, first of you can customize the color. So basically you can see here is the two different type of colors. First is purple and second is red. So you can customize it. If you want to select any other color, just you have to select from here. So now I am selected green and blue color, so the animation will be changed to the blue and green color. Also you can manage this padding, top and bottom padding, from this range. And under the list of icons you can customize the image. For example, for necklace you don't want this image, by default the collection image will be show here, but if you don't want the collection image, just you have to click on select image and select any image that you want. For example, I want this one image, click on done. So the default collection image will be hide and image that you selected will be show here. Same if you don't want this name, like this is the default collection name that you selected here, but you want to change this name, so just you have to enter any name. For example, I am going to add trending. So you can see this name will be changed to the trending. And if you want to get back default collection, just you have to remove this name, the default collection name will be so here. So these are some features of this section that you can add on the Shopify store. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. And if you are facing any issue for this section, you can connect me through Instagram from the description. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, tata.